We are back. So, Doc, you were on a point there earlier, but something to keep in mind with that handicap tune, because the handicap tune was basically, as you said, it was a demo. In fact, it came from them basically toying around in the studio, experimenting with the sound and thing. The song itself, the beat had Derek Morgan had done a song, "Hey You Fat Man, Leave My Girl Alone." Right? Yeah. And I think Anderson said he picked up from that song and they started experimenting with it, and that became the result. Eh?
Yeah. And that is why it's so gimmicky, because it was about, you remember in those days, commercial jingles were very memorable, and they became almost cult icons. Like, you remember, he had that one named Key Soap. That was built before our time, but there was a commercial that riveted in the Jamaican psyche, the Key Soap. And the Papa Top commercial was kind of a similar situation.
With the soda.
Remember at that time, you had Canada Dry, Papa Top, and Kelly's soft drink, along with G&G soft drink. And so, and they had, I think you had Diamond soft drink.
I had Liquid Food too. Liquid Food was there too.
Liquid Food and Canada Dry.
Yeah, so, Canada Dry. But there was so much variety in that time, because you remember I think you had a Welch's store or something like that.
Yeah, you had one named Fanta and New Grape Soda. Yeah. Listen, we're show up age here. We're trying to look like we're a young boy, you know. But
so you know. But the thing is now, that's how the gimmickry of the song come out, because apparently they were in the studio and remembering this Papa Top thing, and because that point in a part in the lyrics them said sip a taste. So it basically was about the soft drink. You know?
Yeah,
now, the interesting one is no, because no is definitely a one hit, because when it came out first, it wasn't really big enough. It wasn't big, but it was one of those songs that you know, that consistently got played. So when Dawn Penn did it, and it was a cover, and here where the song was coming from. It's coming from Bo Diddley, and then Bo Diddley. Then after Bo did the song, then oh Lord, I can't remember his name right now. I won't tell his name. He did a different version of it and added more lyrics to it, and did the "You Don't Love Me," and then it was you don't love me, yes I know. I can't remember his name right now. I don't get to it. So it was Bo did a song about "You Don't Love Me," and then he came on and did that song, and it was a nominal hit again in America, because it was a blues song. It became more famous for the intro, the guitar intro of the original song. If you go online now, you will see people even now doing that intro, and then, but so it wasn't a big hit. Of course, Coxon passed it on to Dawn Penn. Dawn Penn did it. It was so memorable that she left and went abroad by the late 70s. People like Marsha Griffiths did it over. I think she did it over for Clive Hunt on one of his albums. Then she came back and did it for Shocking Vibes.
Right.
Then they did it for Jammies. Jammies did about 3 different versions. One with her, one with she and Ken Booth and Dennis Brown, one with she, Ken Booth, Dennis Brown, and Bounty Killer. Then she did it for Steely and Clevey, who was doing this Studio One tribute album.
So hold on, she eat a whole heap of food out of this one tune then? Eh?
It's not done yet. Hold on, it's not done yet. It's not done yet. It's not done yet. Hold on. So Steely and Clevey put it out on Heartbeat Records. The album came out on Heartbeat. Then now, a company called Profile Records in New York put it out on another compilation. So Heartbeat Records put it out as a CD with the tribute to Studio One. Then Profile put it out on a compilation, and then another company called Big Beat, which was a subsidiary of Atlantic, put it out. Nothing happened to it. Then Dylan Poe, a Jamaican, was now the A&R director at Big Beat. And this Dylan Poe, remember this song came out on a compilation, and just believed that the song had such great potential, and decided to put it out as a single. After much resistance from company people and all of that, and then the rest is history, because it became a global number one in all of Europe, in the United States, in the UK, Australia, New Zealand. It is a big song. I go to places in America back in the day, certain places like in certain parts of Ohio, or even Cleveland, North Carolina, certain places down there where it's mostly American people, Black American. And when that song come on, you can't believe.
The song basically has transcended itself and is now isn't even considered reggae anymore. It is considered pop. So
absolutely, it is. Yeah. So that's why I tell you that don't estimate a one song.
Because you need to write him an email and make me put it in front of him.
We're going to step up a little bit. We're going to step up a little bit further into the 70s, and then we're going to come back down to the early 70s. But we have a duo that came out in 1977.
Oh my goodness, man!
And this is a monster song that came out from their effort, and we're going to feature them right now.
Hi there. If you enjoyed that clip, go on over to our website at yardmedia.com, where you can watch the entire broadcast at your leisure. And while you're there, why don't you check out our other reggae music features? And before you leave, pick up some of our Jamaican reggae merchandise, and hey, don't forget to tell your friends.
My name is Garth, otherwise known as Big G.
My name is Richie Blackford.